Good morning, everybody. My name is Varapon Dataikam. My student number is 0116. I am in Kochi.
Lost on a painted sky where the clouds are hung for the poet's eye. You may find him if you may find him.